15-lined essay on climate change. Climate change is a big problem for our planet. It's making the earth get hotter and hotter. It is causing really big problems for us and animals. The ice at the poles is melting really fast. This means sea levels are rising, and that's bad news. Coastal cities and islands are in big trouble. We need to reduce, reuse, and recycle to help. Using public transport, cycling, or walking is a great start. We should also use energy-efficient appliances and turn off lights. Planting more trees and supporting renewable energy helps too. Climate change affects not just us, but animals and plants as well. We must work together to protect our planet. Every small action we take can make a big difference. Let's reduce our carbon footprint and be kind to the earth. We can do it if we all work together and take actions now. Thanks for watching.